Hello, so today we're using this palette. It's really cute. Taking shade Mindful right in the crease and just lightly defining it. Now shade Fulfilling, and I'm just going to take it right here and right here. Now taking Honor and very lightly defining this wing and on the lash line. Go back over with Fulfilling and smoke out that line. And take some concealer and just fix the wings. We're taking Authentic on a brush and patting it in right on your lid. And now we're taking Passionate on a little brush and just popping it right there. So I'm going to add some lashes, some liner, and some lip stuff, and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look. I think it's stunning. What do you think?